The three most important things about investing in property are location, location, location. Now, my boy, Mr. COD, this location, it feels a bit rural. Is this a good location? Is it popping? It's certainly not like Roman Ridge where I'm buying.
Yep, this property is $650,000.
You say that, but are people actually buying it though?
Yes, I promise you, the next time you're gonna come, this will be sold out.
This does look big. How many square meters?
So this, we're looking about 1,324 square meters.
Okay, so it's big.
Yeah.
I'll tell you a story. My house where I live
Yeah,
is 4,950 square feet.
okay.
And then I found out to be a mansion, it has to be 5,000.
Ooh.
So I extended it.
So getting into the property
Yeah, man.
is fingerprint, or you can swipe your card.
Okay, this is smart. So your big thing is you got a construction company. So you're getting joint venture partners.
Yes,
They're buying the land. You're then doing the build.
just build and we split the profit.
That's good.
Yeah.
I want to get in, man. I'm
Go in.
itching to see this.
So yes, you welcomed into like your living space where you get to receive your guests. You have your dining, and then you've got your pendant light. You have your open concept kitchen. This kitchen is high end.
Are these men in Ghana?
No, it's like
Germany?
hotel. Yes, you can tell.
I can tell.
tell.
I can just look at a kitchen and say,
And tell.
that's a German
Oh.
kitchen.
Like
That's
you
a
Yeah.
Ghanaian kitchen. That's a UK kitchen. That's how good I am at kitchens.
So you've got your stove right
You know,
here,
cost
electric
a
stove.
fortune getting this
Costs a
shipped in.
fortune. It costs a fortune to ship and to clear this. Costs a fortune. Then you have a wireless charging right here. Once you put your phone here, while you cook, it will charge. And can you hear something?
Yeah.
Like splashes of water. That's the fountain of the swimming pool. Yes, sir.
Oh, this is a real
There's a
waterfall.
real fountain flowing from that slab directly into the pool. So this is what we call like a family area.
Another thing I've noticed as well about this type of area, because it is a little bit out of the town,
Yeah.
it's not always popping. There's development going on. When this was first bought, the roads all around where there was potholes, but now they've been fixed.
Your car is going to just go in there, and every time you're wondering, and that's what smart investors will always have to do.
Yeah.
Smart investors will always have to spot the developing locations. So in Ghana, we invest in the lands, we build our wall and put a gate and wait.
When I came out here in 2022, people would drive me around these types of areas and they were saying, in 2020, you could buy land here for 5,000.
I'm telling
Now
you.
it's 50. Now you're telling me it's
It's
100.
100,000. 100,000. Land investment in Ghana is great and is one of the things that can land you from zero to hero in a second.
They say, don't wait to buy land. Buy land.
And wait.
Oh!
Now you're in the master penthouse. Now you're gonna understand why I'm like, if you made an investment here, there's no mistake.
Nah.
Look at how they're springing forth.
Yeah.
They're just coming. The developments are just coming.
I reckon this will be worth £1 million in the next few years.
It's gone already.
Yeah.
By December this year in 2024, this property
gonna be
should
sold.
hit one.
Oh, you reckon?
It should hit $1 million, I'm telling you.
How much did it cost to build this?
400.
So you spent about 500, and now you think it's worth about 650, but
650.
quickly going up.
Quickly, we don't do a lot of profit margins because we want to let it go and go to the next property.
And then you get the
and come
cash,
out.
put it into the next deal. How much would you rent this out for if you decided to hold it?
If you decide to rent this, it'll be about $7,000 per month. And with this outdoor sitting and everything that's happening here, I promise you, when you put this out for rent, just like that.
I love this as well.
This space, you can host about 100 of your friends. And in Africa, we like to do a lot of grills. You could have your cooking and everything done, shisha, anything you want to do to have fun with.
Do you ever like look back over the years at where you started? I mean, you grew up single mom.
Just a brother somewhere in the eastern part of Ghana, like the school you went to, and everywhere in the world though. The kind of school you went to even influences the kind of people that you grew up with. My self-esteem was very low. I had to build it. Like, so a lot of people have gone to my Instagram, my TikTok, and they're like, you like flaunting wealth and all. And I'm like, no, I had to call myself out of a certain mindset. I have to tell myself that no, Your background cannot determine your lifestyle. Your background cannot put your back on the ground.
Right.
No matter where you come from in any parts of the world, regardless whether you have a pound, a dollar, or whatever, you can start.
What does your mom think about what you've done?
Every single time she looks at me, she's just like, how? How did you do it?
She must be super proud.
She's super proud. Let's go 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you had about 10 reps there. It's time to rest. Welcome to your master bedroom. Your bedside lamp's dropping up there. After the gym, you want to take a massage. Tuck yourself in there.
Look at the shower.
So you have jets on the wall, you have the rainfall view, and then every regulation you're looking for. You can just do your theme control even before you get into your shower from here. You've got your bathtub in here.
They got a friggin' sword. No, I never got a big room. I got a big bathtub. I got a sword. You know you need one of these, just in case. You never know what could happen. Mate, this is actually like a real sword. I'm gonna do a sit-down interview with this dude on this YouTube channel soon. If you wanna see that, subscribe. I'm gonna meet a whole bunch of people, millionaires, multi-millionaires. I'll show you some of my sites all around Africa. This is mad. I wanna move to Ghana. I wanna just drop the 650, buy this house, move to Ghana in the sunshine.
Okay, so you remember you asked me how my mom feels about me? I posted our video with her yesterday and she sent me an audio, so I'll play and then he'll do the translation for you.
His mom is thanking God for what he has done, and from what she was saying, like what God has done or what has happened in her life is beyond expectation.
So when I told you that we came from like the darkest part, but just believing in God and we just being consistent and we just telling ourselves that no matter our background, our back cannot be on the ground, and we grind hard. We hit it very hard every single time. So like every time I say don't give up on yourself, just keep believing, just keep working hard and making sure you're building solid relationships and networks, because obviously your network is your net worth.
I think the thing is as well, it's not easy building a big business, it's not easy getting rich, but if you're not gonna do it for just you, you're doing it for your loved ones, you're doing it for your family, you're doing it for legacy, and as you say, your network is your net worth. Hey, if you wanna get in on the action, if you wanna come and meet me at one of the live events, put together your business plan, learn how to invest, how to make money. Even if you haven't got money to start with, come down to the Property Investors Crash Course. Tickets are just £1. And if you live too far away, I'm running it virtually, so you can come virtually and join me. And I'll leave a link in the description. Come meet me, let's take this serious, let's do business.